I'm senior of all YouTubers.
Yeah.
प्लीज़ लाइक सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर, बिकॉज जब आप लोग मुझे सब्सक्राइब करते हैं, कमेंट करते हैं, लाइक करते हैं, तो मेरा जो एंथुजियाज्म है काम करने का, सीखने का, सिखाने का, वो यहाँ से यहाँ चला जाता है.
Hi, how are you?
Yeah, fine. Tell me.
Oh,
And now Megha is a big picture, like big banner, and everybody knows Megha, you know. Yeah.
I don't know.
And everywhere Megha and Megha. Yeah.
From where you have heard about me? I am not getting Megha anywhere. You are
No,
must.
don't
I
say
must
don't.
say you
Yeah,
kidding
don't
with
say like
me.
this. No, not at all. Because when I have joined in CLAPINGO, you know,
Hmm.
firstly I have seen your videos.
Okay.
Because I have been in CLAPINGO for even last 1.5 months. And everybody, I have seen everybody after getting in touch with the CLAPINGO, they have made first priority a YouTube channel and posted all the videos what they have had.
Okay.
But
Okay.
it's a good thing, who are at the present moment trying to enhance their English as well. From that videos, they can inspire themselves. And I firstly observed you.
Okay.
You have posted your so many videos there.
Okay. So may I know your name? You didn't introduce yourself, your place, and
Yeah.
yes,
Yeah,
about
yeah,
you. Basically about you. Yeah.
yeah. Little bit of myself. I am Amit from KOLKATA. I am an advocate practicing in Alipur district, Judges Court at Calcutta. And what why I have joined in CLAPINGO. I'm little bit essence share with you. We are from Bengali medium, all. And most of our colleagues and most of our judges who are in the over the judges case, they are from our same fraternity. Most of them are in that last 2 or 3 years. What is happening here? After pursuing your LLB, you can join the you can sit the examination of judge,
Hmm.
because before that, if you had the experience of 7 years, then you can sit for the judge.
Okay.
Otherwise you won't. But nowadays it's happening, our juniors also seated in the judges, and they used to talk with us in Bengali. That's why the moon and the main problem is there. And nowadays I am practicing in all over the West Bengal. And
Hmm.
nowadays I have some matters in the other states like Kerala, Bangalore. And what is happening there, most of the judges and the advocates, they are using their own local language, regional language. That's the main problem. And if I have there is no other options except it. That's why I'm joining this app to enhance my fluency. By the way, how many languages do you know?
I don't know. I mean, local language. I mean, I'm from Chhattisgarh, so I know Chhattisgarhi,
Yeah,
Hindi, and
yeah,
English. That's it.
yeah.
Still
But
learning
I am
English.
trying. Yeah, but I am trying to learn more than I know Bengali, I know Hindi. I'm trying to enhance my fluency in English. English. I know Odia little bit.
Oh,
Uh, yeah,
as you said that you know Odia, you know Bengali. Are you Bengali?
yeah. It's
Okay.
my mother tongue.
So I have talked many people from Bengal. So
Yeah,
most of the time they know Odia as well. I don't know why.
yeah. Because West Bengal and Odisha, the borderline,
Both are connected. Both states are
both
connected,
are connected. Yeah,
and the
and
family
most,
members are living
you
both
know,
state.
Yeah,
Maybe.
and so many people who were used to work in Calcutta, they used to talk the Odia. That's right.
Okay. So please tell me about your experience about Clapingo. How your sessions are going on.
Yeah, about clapping, I must say, all the clapping teachers are very much fabulous, adorable, and magnificent, whatever adjective have. Because uh, before clapping, I have searched so many options, so many like this clapping for example. But shown, I have seen one thing. All the clapping teachers are Indian,
Hmm.
and one more thing is that they have the specialty to correct you when you started to talk at the very moment. In like that, the Camley, they are just connect to you and encourage you to more talk. But
Yes.
you have, if you watch that those videos, they are not intent to correct you. Whatever I made mistake in my conversation. Yeah, in Cambly app, you have seen one thing. Whatever I observed it from their videos, they just encourage you to speak more, but they have no intention to correct you.
No.
Whatever I made mistake, yeah,
Yeah, I have.
whatever I made mistake in my conversation, I don't know you have that experience or not.
You're
Yeah,
right,
tell me.
but I have different opinion. If I am going to compare both app, like Indian app and foreign app, so they want to correct us, but most of the people from India, they they just want to have a good conversation, friendly conversation. Okay, that's the
Yeah,
reason we feel like that. I have talked two or three foreigners, tutor. I mean, so if you want to correct yourself, and if you tell them that please correct me, end of the conversation, so they correct. But mostly Indian people don't want to correct by foreigners. They just want to have a conversation, friendly and good conversation. And apart from that, I feel that they just want to. I mean, as an Indian, like I also joined Cambly, so I just want to exposure. I just want to get rid of my fear when I talk with strangers. That's the reason we feel that Cambly don't correct us, but it's not like that. This is not true. But in Indian app, we intentionally go and tell them, please correct us,
yeah, yeah,
and
yeah, yeah,
end of the session. And there are few tutors as well. They don't want to correct. They just want to have a good and what should I lively conversation, full of fun. Yeah.
yeah. One thing is there. Actually, those teachers just used to talk with their students. Why? Because of to get rid of their students from the class of their fear,
Yes.
isn't it?
Yes.
That's why I have observed it. Some teachers in our clapping room, they just used to talk with their students, just friendly conversation, just funny moment, creating a funny moment. Because of they are get rid of their students from the class of their fear. After that, they are trying to,
Yes, because
yeah,
there is a strong reason, because they are all are Indian and they don't know very well that English is not a problem. I mean, learning English is not a problem. Before learning English,
yeah,
Indian people have to face hesitation, right? Anxiety, nervousness, especially for if I talk about English. So they have so many weird feelings inside of them. So they know very well. That's the reason they create very comfortable atmosphere. They are very friendly so that people can talk easily and communicate easily. They feel like I'm talking with my friend.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. But nowadays, if you thought for yourself, if I thought for myself,
Yes, yes.
uh, you just have a look your first video. You are a teacher in by your profession. You have that knowledge. You have vocabulary. You have the grammatical portion. If I am telling Megha, give me a written version of suppose whatever the matter, you can write it down fantastically. Because when we started to talk anybody who in front of me, then we get started challenging. And this is the platform, as you said earlier, to get rid of your fear to become a fluent speaker or fluent English speaker.
Yes.
Isn't it?
Yes, yes.
You just have a look your first video. And after 1.5 months, and after requesting all of my friends, I have started my channel yesterday or day before yesterday. And with the help of my daughter, Papa, khol do, it's a channel khol do. Everybody have a channel. And I opened a channel and I posted 2 or 3 videos.
Okay.
Yeah, after my first session, free session, which was the first session, and my second session with the Akhila, I posted 2 videos. And just have a look with those videos. How am I?
It is very weird to watch yourself
Yeah,
in conversation.
yeah. But whatever we are doing here, it's very much beneficial for us. Very
Yes.
much beneficial. Yeah. And I have seen your videos you have posted. I think today or yesterday with a guy, a girl from
Bhumita.
Srirampur,
Yes,
not
yes.
girl. Yeah, she is an homemaker,
Yes.
and she's very fantastic and very good conversation had with you. Uh,
Yes.
that's why I wrote it down in your comment section. From Bengal to here to UP, UP to all over the world. Megha is all over. Yeah, yes. Very good.
Yeah,
Yes,
this
very
is
good.
this is I think great thing for me. I mean, I have started my journey before Clappingo. I mean, approximately around 1 year ago.
Yeah.
But I found Clappingo. I before Clappingo, I joined Camly. Then I
Oh
found
my God.
Clappingo. Yes, I then
Yeah. I have seen it. I have seen your videos with Camly Tutor.
yes,
Yeah,
yes.
I've seen it.
So yes, you're
But
right.
you are much more senior, all of them. All we are nowadays, you are more senior to us.
Okay, I'm senior of all YouTubers
Yeah, yeah.
who are related with Clappingo.
And yeah. And one thing is there, I told you earlier, yeah, deep down, yeah, oh my God. His appointment is like a God in before you.
Oh
And
my.
I am never ever tried to book him. And whenever I sort out, no, not available, not available, not available. I don't know how can I. But yeah, except this bomb, all the tutors I can say.
I mean, I said to my tutor as well, like Divyam sir, that I paid you. Paid Clappingo. Please correct me. I'm not here
Yeah,
to
yeah.
like normal conversation. Please, whenever
This very good. Yeah,
I
yeah.
make mistake
Not for you, not for you. It's for all who
all.
are watching your video, and
Yes.
they are
Yes,
also taught
yes.
from the video. They are gaining their knowledge,
Yes, yes.
and
I mean,
I am pretending that one day you must be in the clapping the society.
oh my God.
Whatever, yeah. What is going nowadays? Bullshit.
It's a very kind of you, and thank you so much for this appreciation. And
Yeah, yeah.
I got twice or thrice time these sort of comments, and whenever someone says these kind of comment, I feel like wow. I feel
All is
like
well, all is well,
yes.
all is well. Yeah,
Yeah, I'm working, and I hope that I will do better. Will achieve my goals. I will have to do that. There is no if and
yeah,
but, no may,
yeah,
no
yeah.
might, no if, no but.
And what is my goal? My
What?
goal is two of three goals are there.
Okay.
I will one day I will be a fluent speaker in English, and I will be a motivational speaker. Yes, it's my main dream. Yeah,
Great, great. That
one day I will. Yeah,
I have also few desire inside of my heart. I don't speak uh, uh, usually, but as you reveal your goals, so I have also, I
yeah,
want my own goals. Like I want to become an influencer. I want to become a public speaker. I want to become a motivator. I want to
yeah.
become a good communicator.
Very good.
These
I
are
wish
my goals
from my
as
core of heart. Yeah,
well.
I'm wishing from my core of heart. You will one day.
Thank you, thank
And
you.
I must, yeah, I must have a goal. I will be a motivational speaker one day.
Great, great, great. I hope the same for you, and you will get all your goals, and you achieve all your goals one day. And not one day, very soon, I must say. It was lovely chatting with you. Thank you so much for joining me. Thank you.
Yeah, okay, thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.